Hi everyone, this is Cindy of Create the Heart. Happy New Year. I can't believe it's 2019. It'll probably take me like 3 months to remember to write that date down. I actually did some crafting yesterday, so I hope to have a crafting video up very shortly. I've just been doing a lot of coloring, so project's a little bit slow coming along. Okay, so as far as my round 5 Destash update, for New Year's, I am lowering all the prices because I do want them to sell before I go on my vacation. So I'm going to list the box numbers and the lower prices, and then I also will reflect that when I get a chance in the video. And then I've got a bonus box. Okay, so number 18, I think 18 is the, what is that? I keep forgetting, the Paper Society or whatever, or Planner Society. That box I'm lowering from $38 to $27. So number 18 is $27. Number 20 was one of the Maggie Holmes boxes. That one is lowered to $35. Box number 24, which is the Julie Nutting stamps, stamp, die, and the little wooden dolls. Those are $16, lowered to $16. Number 26, which is the rhinestone starter kit, that's lowered to $14. And that's it. Okay, so number 18 is now $27. Let's see. Yeah, number 18 is $27. Number 20 is $35. Number 24 is now $16. Number 26 is $14. And then I've got this box right here, which is box number 28, and it is going to be $27. Okay, so let me show you what's in it. First, I've got these cards. Now, they are not going to come packaged in the box. They just don't fit in the box. They're going to be in like a plastic bag. Okay. I don't know exactly how many are in here, but these are a combination of 2 different boxes, like half of Bloom or almost half of Bloom and almost half of another Maggie Holmes card kit. And so basically, I'll show you some of them. So they're a way of getting a lot of the papers in the cards. And so it looks like there's roughly 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 12, 14, 16, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, like 35 cards and envelopes in here. Okay, so here they are. They will not be in this box. They will be packaged however I need to package them to mail. Okay, also in this box there's going to be these Maggie Holmes clips, these pom-poms, this 6x6 Bloom, the 6x8 carousel, and the 2 flourishes, which actually have different paper in them. So these do not have the same paper. So this is the 6x8, and then the 6x6. The word Fetty stamps, or I'm sorry, stickers, these rub-ons, these stickers, and then these, the top of this will be bent in order to package it because it will not fit. Okay, and then this washi will be in here as well. Okay, so that is box number 28, and it's $27. Same rules apply, US only, PayPal only. Please email me at scoop71@yahoo.com. The newer prices will be listed in the description box here, and they also be listed in the description box under the videos. It's first come, first serve. If you know, people ask me a question and then they go, "Oh, is 27 available?" And then I go, "Yes, it is," and then they don't respond. So I'm like, "Do you want it, or are you just asking if it's available?" So it's kind of a weird thing. So if you ask me and then you don't want it, that's totally fine. But please let me know because I get very confused as to how to respond to the next person. So let me know. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching and have a great holiday.